This is our just-in-time video to cover the most often missed questions in 7.2, covering Boyle's law. Reviewing the figure with the red curve, which variable is graphed on the x-axis? All right, so keep in mind the x-axis. This is our x-axis. That means that this is going to be our y-axis. And we're always going to put the independent variable on the x-axis, and the value of the y-axis variable is going to depend on that. So this will be the dependent variable. So the best answer here, we're looking for independent variable, so that gets rid of everything that says dependent. And then we notice that the pressure is the independent variable, so D was the best answer there. On this question, it still looks like we're having trouble converting gas pressures. So if we want to go from 787 torr to ATM, we know there are 760 torr in 1 ATM. I think what really tripped everybody up here was the 5 sig figs, because the inclination was to go to 3 sig figs, but we need 5 so we don't have that rounding error in our final calculation. So the correct answer was 1.0355 ATM. And I saw answers that were ranging anywhere from 1.04 to 1.33, and I saw a 1.03553. So just be careful whenever you're reading, because this is going to apply to our exams as well. You have to answer to the correct number of significant figures, especially if we've told you exactly how many we need. All right, here's the last problem. So P1V1 equals P2V2, given our data set here. And we are solving for V2, and we're doing this to 3 significant figures. All right, so let's plug in what we have. We need everything to be in the same units. So ATM, 787 torr, 760 torr gives us 1 ATM. So that was our value we calculated, 1.0355 ATM. All right, so plugging in everything we have, P1 is 0.950 ATM. V1 is 1.45 liters. P2 is, 1.0355 ATM. And then we're solving for V2. So we're going to divide both sides by 1.0355. 1.0355 ATM. We see this cancels out, ATM cancels out, and we wind up with V2 equals 1.33 liters. All right, if you have questions over anything from this section of material covering Boyle's Law, please post them to Piazza.